Yo, these storm clouds be following me for real. I'm at my place of work right now, okay? Look at the clouds. I mean, can you see that there is like a big storm cloud like right over? like my workplace is like just about over there. I just walked down the street to stretch a little, took my shirt off. We got thunder. We got thunder right over my workplace. Right? I'm gonna show you the rest of the sky here. Right in back of me there, all clear. You know, it's clear beyond the clouds. I don't know, been following me around. For real, I'm not kidding. I walked down the road, it's raining just a little bit right now. Here's the cloud formation. You see it's pretty round. I'm down the road. Clouds followed me. My workplace is in back of me over there. That's where I'll be walking. What's up? What's up? What's up? It's raining. Car turn. Yo, like it is legit raining. On my head.